Wash your curtains like a pro. Part 1. Washing your curtain isn't just about tossing them in the washer and hoping for the best. Different fabrics require different care, and improper cleaning can lead to shrinkage, fading, or even damage. Here's a guide to help you wash your curtain like a pro, ensuring they stay vibrant and beautiful for years to come. Know your fabric. The first step is identifying the fabric your curtains are made of. This information is usually found on a label sewn into the seam. Common curtain fabrics include cotton, easy to wash, durable, but wrinkles easily. Wash in cooled water on a gentle cycle. Linen, strong and naturally wrinkle-resistant, but delicate. Dry clean or hand wash in cold water with mild detergent. Polyester, wrinkle-resistant and easy to care for, but may fade in sunlight. Wash in warm water on a gentle cycle. Silk, delicate and luxurious, requires dry cleaning. Blends, a mix of fabrics combining the properties of each. Follow the care instructions for the dominant fabric.